not sell this pair if you have it, and here's why. This is a very special pair that is only going to continue to rise in price for multiple reasons. I know it's just a black Nike box, but wait until you see what's inside. And if you want free Travis Scotts or any pair you see right here, all you gotta do is click that subscribe button, comment done so I know you did it, and this pair could be yours for free. Here we go. Looks like we got this weird box. We pop it off. Let's slide it out. Look. Sheesh! Check these out. The Wu-Tang Nike Dunk. The leather looks so much better on these than a regular Dunk High. I know you're gonna think I'm just saying this, but I think the leather is a lot more buttery on this pair. And the Wu-Tang logo is stitched on the heel as well as the tongue. I think that's literally the only two logos on the entire shoe. Other than that, it's just a Nike Dunk High. Nonetheless, this pair is amazing, and you better not sell it if you have it. Why not? I got an offer. I want to sell it. Do not sell it just yet. This is a very special pair, and it's only going to continue to rise in price. If you sell your pair now, you're going to miss out on money. Alright, why is it so special? It looks like a yellow and black Nike Dunk with a bat on it to me. While it is a yellow and black Nike Dunk with a bat on it, this is a very special bat. This is the logo for the Wu-Tang Clan, and it is considered to be one of the greatest hip-hop groups of all time. The Wu-Tang Clan started in Staten Island, New York in 1992. It includes RZA, GZA, Method Man, Raekwon, Ghostface Killah, Inspector Deck, U-God, Master Killer, and ODB, better known as Old Dirty Bastard. Many of you may know their album Enter the 36 Chambers. It is also ranked as one of the greatest hip-hop albums of all time. Many people don't know this, but this sneaker already released in 1999. But even if you did know, you had no chance in purchasing it. Nike only released 36 pairs of this shoe to promote the album Enter the 36 Chambers. And if you worked at Nike or you knew someone in the Wu-Tang Clan and you were lucky enough to get your hands on a pair, it wouldn't be hard for you to sell your pair for $50,000 in today's market. So if you have the 1999 pair, I would take the money and run. But chances are you have the 2024 pair just like me, and I don't want you to sell yours just yet. I want you to make the most money possible, so let's hold on to this grail and watch it grow in price. Nike took inspiration for the Wu-Tang Dunk from a shoe they already released, the 1985 Iowa State University Nike Dunk High. It's literally this shoe without the Wu-Tang logos. Nike figured, hey, it's the Wu-Tang colors, we already have the shoe, let's let them do it. So they slapped their logo on two spots on the shoe, and it became one of the most coveted pairs for sneaker collectors worldwide ever since. Wu-Tang Clan alone has millions of fans worldwide that love them with or without a Nike collab. You can't walk to the grocery store without seeing a 40-year-old man rocking a Wu-Tang Clan hoodie. I love how the Wu-Tang Clan keeps old and young people into the culture. This is a very special shoe, and celebrities like Fat Joe got sent the special box pair in the mail from Nike. The Wu-Tang Clan uses bees and honey to promote a lot of their stuff, so the special box pair actually came with a bottle of honey, and it was in the shape of a honeycomb.
Apis mellifera scutellata, aka the killer bee. Ancient Egyptians believed bees were the servants of the gods and carved beekeeping instructions inside the chambers of the pyramids. An individual bee could not survive without the hive, just as humanity could not survive without the bees. We all links in the same chain. The black and yellow patterns serve as a warning to any predator that they ain't nothing to f with.
Wu-Tang again?
Oh yeah, again and again.
Sensing global and cultural imbalance, the hive returns to build and destroy, protecting civilization from itself.
Forever. Bum, bum.
This is a beautiful pair all throughout, from the yellow sock liner to the super premium leather all over the shoe. Just look at the toe box. These look so comfortable. Of course, we have a yellow bottom on the pair and the white midsoles. All in all, this is an Iowa State University Nike Dunk High with Wu-Tang logos. But hey, it makes it a Wu-Tang Dunk, and it makes it super rare. You can't just put this logo on the tongue and heel by yourself. Nike did it, which marks an actual collab between Nike and the Wu-Tang Clan. This pair is going to be forever sought after for sneaker collectors and Wu-Tang collectors worldwide. Every time someone puts their foot in a pair of these shoes, the price goes up a few more dollars. For brand new pairs, that is. Every time someone wears a pair, there's one less brand new pair on the market for sale. Think about it. Every single day, more people wear this pair, so every single day, this pair is going to increase in price. It's simple. Find the pairs of sneakers that are most sought after, buy them while they're cheap, hold them, and watch them grow in price. Once they become a lot more expensive, sell them and make a profit. I know one thing, I'm not going to be selling my pair, and I don't think you should either. If you need the money now, go ahead and sell your pair.
It's my money and I need it now!
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 But this pair is not going for much more than $200 in most sizes, with a lot of pairs being like $180, $190. That's barely any room for profit, so I would just keep them brand new, leave them in the box, put them somewhere safe, and watch your money grow. Let your money work for you, don't work for your money. I told you not to sell this pair. Now, if you sell it and miss out on money, that's on you. But I think you realize the significance of this pair. This pair is so special, Nike dropped an entire commercial showing the history behind it. They had some kids walk up to an ice cream truck, and then one of them dropped ice cream on their Wu-Tang Dunk.
This is our year, right, fellas?
Yeah, that's cool. Let me get a French vanilla.
You got it, Jalen.
Can I get a chocolate deluxe?
Mikhail, welcome to New York, buddy.
Man, I play for
Yeah, that's cute. We know. We know. And you, Mr. Hart?
Yeah, let me get the sundae, the honey twirl, tiger style.
You serious right now?
Wu-Tang style.
And if you want free shoes or you just want to support me, hit that subscribe button right now. If you enjoyed this video, click right here. I think you might like my other video. Alright everyone, thank you all so much for watching. Have a blessed rest of your day, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace!